Hey guys, I've been around a little bit lately. I've been away for a couple of weeks and been changing my car, and it's been an absolute nightmare. But tonight I've come out for a bit of a ride again, have a little go out on Mabel, as you can see, and I've missed going out on that. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks, so yeah, so back out on her again. Just changed my car actually to a Toyota. First time I've gone Japanese, and funnily enough, it's got me thinking about Japanese bikes again. Been considering a lot lately. I don't know whether it would be a second bike or a replacement for Mabel. I don't think I could replace her, but maybe just a second bike. And I've been thinking, as I've got a friend of mine who's given me the opportunity to buy it, is Kawasaki W800, and it's on a 2020 plate. It was one of the last imports coming in, and it was one of the ones that had the disc brakes as well, and it's in a beautiful like cream and green. So he's given me the chance to buy that, so he's a fellow driving instructor friend of mine, and I am actually really considering it. Just wondering what the difference on that would be actually. I think they are around 60 odd horsepower. I'd have to check the figures on it, but obviously it's going to be a considerable amount more than this. And part of me has been considering the bare 650, but I still want that more oldie woldy look, if you know what I mean. The same as Mabel, but just having something a bit different to go out on as well. I love the twin clocks on it as well. It's the one he's got for sale is just absolutely beautiful, and he's offering me at a good price actually as well. So what do you guys think? Any of you lot owned the Kawasaki W800, and one of the later models that doesn't have the drum brake on the back, so we're talking discs all round? So yeah, so that's up in the air at the moment, just sort of mulling that over. So had a couple of weeks just away down in sort of Devon area. Just went off exploring here and there with that. Did lots of drone flying, that was good. Couldn't take the bike with me, but yeah, we had a fantastic break. Well earned break, needed it. But also while I'm away I did miss my bike as well. Mabel there again. We all know what she looks like. So yeah, she's a little cracker. I'm out in the full faced helmet today. That actually is quite a quiet helmet, if I'm honest, that one. Quite a few of the helmets I've had over the time, not so clever, but that one I do really like. Obviously that's a clip from my little Freecom system that I use. But yeah, she's still very clean, still loving her. Handlebars are still on, the new ones, loving those, still really comfortable. I see a few of you guys have ordered, and I think some of you have fitted. I think somebody said that they went to order and Amazon's now out of stock, so I don't know whether my video has made them have a run on those handlebars, I don't know, hopefully. Anyway, so yeah, I thought I'd have a little just check in, let you know I haven't actually gone anywhere. I've been talking to Jo, the missus, and talking about just having a little couple of days over the Isle of Wight, taking Mabel with us. Obviously go on Mabel. Get those little side bags just filled up with a little bit, maybe a little bag on the back or on her back. On her back probably. Just enough for us to take a few stuff for a couple of just a few clothes for a couple of nights really, just have a little ride around the Isle of Wight. So I'm going to keep an eye on the weather and see what days or weekend looks good. But yeah, still enjoying her, but mulling over the W800. So let me know what you think in the comments about that, and if any of you have owned one, let me know what you think of them. Anyway, I'm going to jump back on now and get going again. See you in a minute.